In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on Amazon Prime Video. We'll cover the three places where language settings matter most: the app interface, the audio you hear, and the subtitles you read. I'll also point out where to set language preferences that influence what shows and movies you see first on your homepage. Follow along, and you'll be able to switch languages confidently without hunting through menus. First, let's change the interface language, the menus, buttons, and on-screen text you see in Prime Video. On a web browser, go to primevideo.com and sign in. Click your profile icon, then choose Account and Settings. Open the Language tab, pick your preferred language, and save. This affects the way Prime Video's interface appears, but it doesn't control which audio tracks or subtitles are available for individual titles. Think of it as changing the app's language, not the content's language. If you're on a smart TV or an older version of the app, the interface language setting may be found under Profile, Settings, or simply Language. The exact location can differ depending on the device. If you don't see a dedicated language tab, check those menus first. Next, let's change the audio language, the spoken language for the show or movie you're watching. Start playing the title you want. On the playback screen, open the Audio Subtitles menu. This is usually a speech bubble or a gear icon. Select Audio, then choose the language you want from the list. That's it. If you don't see the language you're looking for, it means that specific title doesn't offer that audio track. Availability is determined per title, and it can vary widely. Now, for subtitles. While the video is playing, reveal the playback controls by tapping the screen or pausing. Open the subtitles or speech bubble icon, then select the subtitle language you need. Subtitles are independent of audio, so you can mix and match. For example, keep the audio in one language and read subtitles in another. This is especially helpful when you're learning a language or watching with someone who prefers a different language. There's also a helpful preference for your homepage. In your profile settings, look for Manage Streaming Languages to set which languages you'd like prioritized for suggested titles. This influences what versions and recommendations you see first, but it doesn't override the audio or subtitle options of individual videos. A few final notes. Audio and subtitle options vary by title. Not every language is available for every show or movie. Changing the interface language won't force content to appear in that language. And on some devices, language menus may look a little different, but the options work the same way. You're all set. Enjoy watching in the language that works best for you.